Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about installing the iOS 26 beta or already have, this video is for you. Like most early betas, iOS 26 comes with its share of problems. Today, I'll walk you through the most common issues so you can decide if it's worth the update or if you should wait. Let's get into it. I have installed iOS 26 beta on my iPhone 15 Pro and 14 Pro. You can see both phones in my hand. I suggest you not install it on your iPhone. Let's share a problem that I'm facing. Number 1 is battery drain. First up, battery life. Many users are reporting faster battery drain after installing the iOS 26 Beta 1. This is common in early releases as background processes run more often and system optimizations are not yet complete. Same thing I'm also facing on my 15 Pro Max. Number 2 is app crashing. My concern is banking apps, as these have issues with early betas. It seems like a really annoying bug. For instance, some popular apps are crashing or not opening at all. This includes finance apps, games, social media apps, and even a few Apple apps. If you rely on certain apps for daily tasks, this could be a deal breaker. As per my knowledge, your banking apps will not work till really close public release. Please comment below if you have installed iOS 26 beta and are facing issues with banking apps or not. Number 3 is the overheating problem. I think my iPhone becomes excessively warm on the back, prompting me to occasionally take off the phone case to help it cool off. iPhones running iOS 26 beta can get warm quickly, even with light use. This usually improves in later betas, but for now, it's something to watch for. Number 4 is slow performance. Animations may feel laggy, scrolling might stutter, and switching between apps can be slow. iOS 26 is still being polished, so performance issues are expected, especially on older devices. Number 5 is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi bugs. Some users are experiencing unstable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections. Devices randomly disconnect or speeds drop for no reason. Restarting the phone helps sometimes, but not always. Number 6 is notification delays. Notifications are not always coming through on time. Messages, emails, and app alerts might be delayed or missed entirely, which could be a problem if you rely on real-time updates. Number 7 is camera glitches. iOS 26 beta comes with all new camera icon and internal setting changes. The camera app may take longer to launch or freeze during use. Some users report that night mode doesn't work properly or that photos appear blurry or don't save. Number 8 is widget and lock screen bugs. Widgets may fail to update or disappear completely. Some users are seeing layout glitches on the home screen or lock screen, like text overlapping or missing icons. Number 9 is App Store errors. The App Store may fail to download or update apps. You might see errors or apps getting stuck during installation. Clearing the cache or restarting can help, but it's not a guaranteed fix. Number 10 is random reboots. A few users are reporting random reboots while using the phone or charging. It's rare, but definitely something to keep in mind if you plan to use iOS 26 beta on your main device. So those are the most common iOS 26 beta problems we've seen so far. Remember, this is early software meant for testing, not daily reliability. If you rely on your phone for work or school, it's better to wait for a later beta or the final release. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more iOS updates. Thanks for watching and see you next time.